You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary?
Shupega, Uga Chala Beshulega, Allegan Vulega, Humble and Band La Lela, Tina School Shupega, Uga Chala Beshulega, Allegan Vulega, Humble and Band La Lela, Segu Ningiga Kalela, Segu Ningiga Kula, Segu Ningiga Kula, Segu Ningiga Kula, Segu Ningiga Kula, Segu Ningiga Kula. Sekukuningi kakhulu, 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 sekukuningi kakhulu. Mathata mangata ngiyatshela mngani wami.
Sasuke bathusela itina tsena ba etse pavement. Yeah, nna ke rata ho bua obvious. After maybe game. Mama ka gesi, texture. Gesi, texture. Ba ukwazi texture. Gesi foroko texture. Saka sathane texture. Mama ka gesi. Anjezu uhambile bayithe uyemakhaya. Ayasabu. Hayi kona bamlimazile manje bayithe ayemakhaya ngoba la ibhola ikhunto azodlala. Ukuthi balwane nempeshi. Manje ngisuka phile.
Hey guys, my name is Vanessa. For short, it's Mbali.
Yeah.
So guys, I just want to have a small conversation with you guys.
Wait till the was malong out when it don't fit like a school.
How? Hello, Nana. Ask one first of all. So figure. So yeah. Hello, what's your name?
Ngeke nakhulume-ke hlalani phansi.
Yeah, imaqala asimali mase uzofika la hey guys,
Hlala phansi-ke. Khuluma-ke sisi.
no, it's not about all of it's not about all. I just want to have a little conversation with you guys. What is it? So you want to have a game challenge.
Okay, kanti uhlala ufile. Ezini bengithi zofika la ukhuluma izinto zakho.
So what's your game challenge? My game challenge is a challenge like beat netball, hockey and skipping. So njengoba ukhuluma ngabo netball, hockey, those are sports. So
Why are you saying a game challenge? But it's fine, you can play. I think
but we don't have a skip, but we don't have EOs.
yeah, we better play netball, but we don't have any ball.
Oh, you think?
Hayibonge imali kabantu.
Mina nginayo.
Iyo, sisi uyakhona ukuhlala kumama akho nombaba akho futhi uphasile. Yantini inkinga. Okay, guys,
Mina
let's
bastinji
go.
ngemali bangithengela noma yini mara bastinji. Thank you guys. So where are you going? I'm going to my house.
Yo, my
You
house.
have your own house because your money house. Yo, this girl.
I met you in the dark, you lit me up. You made me feel as though I wasn't off. We danced the night away.
Ibonile lo yakhe lo yawufika thini lapha. Hayibo.
Uyasitshela yo.
Hayi uyasitshela umuntu efika lelo announcement.
Yo.
Athi ngimbonile phela asuka lapha.
Uyasheka nokusheka.
Ufuna simtshele
Hi guys,
indaba
my
zakhe.
name is Mbalani.
Akamuhle ukudlula wena.
Hayibo sifike
When
kanjani.
unjani nje uthi umuntu unayo protect. When umuntu ngoba wena wayukanga. Hayi ikona tayikhuluma.
Mara phela yena uyishayile announcement yakhe. Hayi makusilunga.
Uyasijwayela.
Fanele abuyele esikolweni no.
Like uyasijwayela like uyasijwayela.
Yo akasakhuluma ulumlumu umntase yini.
Yo.
Uthini ulumlum?
Yo guys,
Yo, ayo ngiyanceda
Yeah,
yo.
usijwayela inkomo.
nolwazi khona into bese ngiyicabangisile ukuthi le ndaba yama-second year
Hayi anginandaba.
hayibo ayazi nokuthi second leader yethu kuzoba
Ngazi. And wena ungasitsheli.
Mashayani round. Mashayani round.
Bantwana.
I met you.
Mina ufuna ukukhuluma naye. Sixoxe. Indaba zithi vele mina nabo Amile park. Yeah, they have their own group. I need to vet. Yeah, sure. Basiqeda mina ngasheka ngaya kube ngabatshela ukuthi hello girls ngesilungu. Ngabatshela ukuthi mina xokhuluma nabo. Ngabatshela ukuthi I just want to have a game challenge with them.
yeah
But okay, like how? mina ngabatshela ukuthi like netball, like hockey, skipping kanjalo. And I was okay, very sharp. Yeah, mina ngabatshela ukuthi I just want to have a small conversation with you guys.
Yeah.
But okay, ngabatshela ukuthi ke na yabo ngakhuluma. Guys, mina yo bengisaba yazini because mina yo guys yazini. Wena uthini ke girl indaba yakho?
Mina nginandaba nje, indaba nje yesikole kuphela ngolesi.
Yo guys, mina angazi ukuthi ngiphathile ngifelile. Yo guys,
Uthini manje?
uAmile yena yo uyangiphaphela. Yo and uAmile yena ishala kudumbila understand. Unaledi yena umude. Yo animu understand naye yena.
Ngiyafisa nokumbona lo naledi
Yo.
wakho. Naledi.
Wena aehle. Guys, mina ke ngabatshela ukuthi igama lami ke uBanenhle. Yabo. For short it's Mbali. As in guys, ngikhalela ukuthatha i-walk uzangisithathiwe. Hayi.
Ngicela indaba guys.
Khuluma ke.
Endlini umama ungitshela ukuthi ngasho izitsha. Angifuni ngasho izitsha, ngibalekile. Ngiyabila khona endlini.
Mina angifuni nokuphila ke endlini.
Mina angidlulanga nombhede kuxoxela nje.
Yo wena shayalana siswana.
Chomi.
Yo guys, ngiyabhoka esikoleni. Yo.
Hayi kodwa mina nje isikoleni.
Yo imates ingenzeni. Yo mates. Iqhaqhamatha.
Yazi.
Yo mates. Yo.
Hayibo imethi easy bo guys. Imethi yasula thina. Even Afrikaans.
Ay Afrikaans vele ngishayile.
Mina Afrikaans angishaya ngisho guys.
Guys, group yaka Amile ke laphaya.
Hayibo yiyo leya.
Yeah.
nje.
Hayi thina sibasabi ke
Mina nje bathi
Ucabanga mina ngibasaba. Yo,
asiyeni ukubona soze ukuthi bathini.
guys mina bacabanga ukuthi basishaya lapha. Ngishaya. Oh, thina mina. Uza mina kufuna game challenge. Yeah, guys. Mara guys, ngisho ukuthi uzoba game challenge. Oh, okay, that's mina ifuna phela. Yo mara guys, basiphaphela labantu hayi bas. Yo bese ayihlale. Hello guys,
Hello.
ninjani?
Siyaphila.
Right.
Sike ngamasimba futhi.
Sithe thina sicela i-game challenge. Hayi lesama check bohamba.
Manje sohamba nabanye.
I-group yamanithi lena. So
Uyitophe.
Anitopanga
Awubuza
ngithole emakhuleni. Wangibuza into e-obvious ke sisi.
Hayi mina ngongaphapheli ke ngoba
Ithini game challenge?
Mina ngicela i-game challenge na. Hello lana bakhuluma.
ngiyabona sikhuluma nawe ngokuqala soze siphaphela.
Ayi wena uphaphela nto wena naledi apology giraffe.
Nazo.
Uzobuza wena.
Nani ngizitsha mina ne.
Wena ungazophaphela wena.
Like wena sisukela laso
Uthini uyangcolisa?
Awubona.
Anibona ukuthi uyangcolisa? Ngabona ke gcina ngokuthengwa i-Nike.
Hayi mina ngibonga lo uqala nofika sekaya phapha.
Hello Nana, hello.
Kanjani? Bhekela kanjani?
Hello, before ukhuluma
Bengicathulo.
Ngizweni uthi zingena bicathi ngaso sikhathi
Ayithula wena ngokuphi yami la sikhuya kubuza. Bese ngitshela ama-facts ama-x. mina sengitshelile indaba zami. I-challenge ukuthi mina ngifuna ukujayiva ubani umlahleka ngichaza amakhabede yini ubani
Chaza wena.
na guys mina kethi ngitsheleni ke
Jenny. Hello.
Ngangiphathele igama lami.
No.
I'm not cheap.
Challenge.
Mina ngithi ngifuna ukujayiva nalo mntana lo wena bothi ufuna
Can challenge yani.
Yasibona mina zokukhipha lama-eyeball lawa. Wena uyakhipha ukukhipha lama-eyeball lawa. Wakujayiva nje mina ngizokushaya. Amela ngane kuhlale funa khulumela la.
Challenge.
Action. Mina ngithi ngifuna ukujayiva nalo mntwana ke.
Mina ke ngikukhuluma ngicela ukuchallenge nami ke.
Ubani ufuna challenge yani?
Office ngeke.
Mina ngifuna ukuchallenge nalo. Lo uyaphapha.
Mina
ngama complete. Challenge.
Mina ngifuna wena ke sisi.
Usisi wakho ungangibiza ngosisi.
Mina ngithe ngifuna ukuzidla ulwazi tena. Mina ke ngidance challenge nawe. Ngicela le ndaba sisena sithathele
Ungabheka abanye abantu. Akusani ukuthi sikhulume.
Dirty fast fast, what if fast fast, dirty fast fast, sure, my phone is sure, tell her fast fast, sure, tell her fast fast, fast fast, get fast fast, you and fast fast, Bafuni show, tell her fast fast, tell her fast fast, get fast fast, dirty fast fast, dirty fast fast, 40 fast fast.
Kokopela ko lebezuya gesture kanimene ma tungitshela ngama-step angithi ngiphuma west ngibathithi sama-gas kuma-best ku-west ibanipotela sofika ngama-dash abes ubani odlala kuma-des ungitshela ngama-step angithi ngiphuma west ngibathithi sama-gas kuma-best ku-west
It's on Friday, yeah, 25 umuntu urholisa ngeziphethe imali ungenzani ungenzini plashi ngasenzikeleni singazifuna imali iFriday yange-25 umuntu urholisa ngeziphethe imali ungenzani ungenzini plashi ngasenzikeleni singazifuna imali ungitshela ngama-zap zap 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 hayi wena mani ungitshela ngama-zap zap 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 kwazi ukudelela wena mani awungitshela ngama-zap zap 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 into ungitshela ngama-zap zap awufuna ukukhulumana kungena asabe wena mani ngithi ungitshela ngama-zap zap 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 into ungitshela ngama-zap zap
Ayabu, 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 wanaka, ayabu, snoko noko, ayabu, urongongo, ayabu, 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 jabda, ayabu, ayabu, bala, ayabu, uya bala bala, ayabu, snoko noko, ayabu, ayabu, ayabu.
Ngiyabeka ngizama ukuhlanganisa kuhlangane kodwa inhliziyo iphakelwa angazi mntana umuntu awungithandi ngani Darling,